Hey guys, so today I am gonna go with my friends to go. So I'm like editing this video right now. It's like a week late. Don't come for me. I was busy. It's gonna get put up today or tomorrow. Yeah. Well then, go back. I'm just gonna start the video again. Okay, bye. Eat and have a mukbang or whatever it's called. I'm gonna change this shirt because I'm not gonna wear it. So let's go.
Welcome to Lewis's channel. It's gonna be me, my face, because you know Lewis loves me.
Rushing to come over here. My sister's gonna get like sweet tea.
My sister's mine?
Yeah.
I don't want to carry this, Lewis. Bye.
Okay, so let's do some tea.
The tea is Lewis's.
I'll start by saying what we got. I got 2 burgers, 2 Buffy Blue burgers,
Wow.
fries with
what a
1,
legend.
ranch sauce, ketchup, so I could make mayo ketchup, and
Mayo
soda.
ketchup. What do you mean mayo ketchup?
Okay, so I think we all got the same exact burgers,
Mayo ketchup.
but Lacey's a legend,
Oh,
so
mayo.
she get 2, so keep up with that.
I'm about to eat 4, so. B, why are you pouring it in when you just did it in there?
B, because that. Oh wow. Okay, you're right.
Tea, that's the tea.
That's
The
a
artist
tea.
goes like B.
See you drinking my drink.
No, I'm not.
He knows he
Took
likes
my
it.
drink.
He was like, let me just pretend.
He didn't even try it. Try mine, try mine.
I'm a vegan
Guess
account.
what it is? It's not soda.
Ew, is this water?
Ew, bye.
It's so good.
Let's put some tea about school. Who has any story times? I have one.
Can't relate. Other than wanting to kill myself, that's it.
Same.
Oh freak, a fry flew.
I have to eat every single fry before I eat my burger.
Me too.
Give this video a thumbs up if you can relate.
Can't relate.
Hey, let me have a nibble.
Nibble, nibble. ASMR.
It is.
Ew, what an ugly ASMR though. This be literally one like. My universe explodes.
Lacey, why haven't you uploaded anything? Tea.
Oh no, tea.
Tea. Spill the tea.
Tea.
Go subscribe to our YouTube channel that we never upload to.
Tea. Yeah, and cause y'all wondering, we're still best friends.
And we're alive.
Yeah.
We didn't die. I know somebody made a conspiracy video about us, saying that Eileen and Lucy are fake. and
Shane
they're
Dawson. Really, Shane? You coming for us like that?
bad. He came for our brand.
Save, I can't relate though.
Shane, if you're watching this, make a 20-part series on me. Thank you.
So
Is Eileen a psychopath?
Eileen's mine. All you see is Eileen sitting on her bed watching YouTube. Who are you from the Shane squad?
I don't know. Rylan, no, just kidding.
You actually are Eileen.
Who are you, Eileen?
Eileen's like, I'm Garrett.
I
That's
haven't
tea.
seen Gary in so long.
Me too.
I miss him.
Me too.
That's Lily.
I'm Drew. Who am I, guys? From the Shane squad.
Cheeto.
Me from Cheetos and you're Uno.
Cheeto and Uno take over the world. Bro, I'm gonna lick this paper. You think I'm playing? Like, this is sauce that should be on my burger.
I'm like really hot right now. It's fine. Over here dying, you're like dancing. He likes it raw.
I'm too close to the camera. I'm seeing all my imperfections.
Oh my god, for real.
You're not supposed to.
I'm the
I
little
look
creepy
skinnier,
one in the
so-
background.
I look skinnier because I'm in the back, so.
I look skinnier because you can't see the rest of my body.
I'm in the middle.
I don't even have hair. Look.
JoJo?
JoJo. Name.
I want to be JoJo for Halloween, to be honest. I just want to get my hair bald and like just put a little... She's about to be though.
Shady.
I wear her little hair and then we'll our bow.
Am I in Lewis's next video after this is apologizing? He's like, I'm so sorry.
JoJo, I'm not apologizing.
No, it's next video.
Sis, just glue. Just glue a bow to your bald head.
Just glue a freaking mop. This is my thing.
You know I'm tired.
God, I'm a hoe for this.
JoJo is in the house. Look, no hair.
JoJo.
That was delicious. I gave that 2 out of 10 stars. That's a bad rating.
I gave it like a
Okay, 9 out of
1.5. No, just kidding.
Oh no.
What do you give your food, Lewis? How
I
many
gave it a
stars?
10 out of 10.
I gave it 10 JoJo Siwa ponytails. ASMR.
Yours is a sociopath.
Am I?
No,
You ugly.
That's burp. See, all the workers here are just playing around.
What's that? I'm scared.
Ooh, black
I
pepper
feel
corn.
sweaty. Ooh, yes, we live for this leg. The rest of the video is just gonna be us playing a game. It was supposed to be a different video, but we just didn't have enough footage, so I'm just gonna slide it in with the other one. So.
Ew. This is the only reason he wanted a damn straw.
Don't come for me.
Motivation.
Okay.
Imagine like we all say the thing that we're supposed to drink for, and Lewis is big struggle like.
It's gonna explode when it reaches here.
He's like, I'm not guilty. This be all camera, all to himself.
I can do that too.
Okay.
Lewis literally looks like a sandwich.
Done, Lewis?
These are all sex questions. I never
Okay,
had
no, they're
sex
not.
in a
Look,
virgin.
never have I ever broken the law. Never have I ever. Oh, never. Okay, ready? This is mine.
Trio virgin.
Ready?
Where am I? I sent an aspect.
Oh my god,
You did?
No.
Oh,
I
that's-
sent myself an
that's-
aspect.
That's too much for the internet. Get next. I'm trying
Never
to
have I ever been jealous of a friend. Lewis, you know you need to take that sip.
Okay, never have I ever slept naked.
right now.
Eileen's naked right now, guys. She's actually going to bata.
Dang.
Never have I ever burnt anything in the microwave.
Oh yeah, freak yeah, I burned a soup.
I literally haven't.
Literally, my microwave went on fire like a couple days ago.
Oh my god, doing what?
My microwave started smoking.
Popcorn.
Bro, I started doing freaking soup.
Popcorn!
I started doing freaking soup and I forgot to put the water in. And that bee literally just started smoking and it smelled so bad.
That me forgot for water.
I'm just like, yeah, and you go like, never have I ever fallen in love with a friend.
A friend that I knew from
Wait.
school.
Oh, dang, me too though.
Oh, can we talk about our crushes though? Okay,
Don't have one.
my first
I have
crush.
fallen in love with a friend.
Oh, you mean like our past crushes?
Yeah, like you
Right
had a
now.
crush.
Do you have a crush now?
A crush now? No, I don't.
That was
I love being weird.
honestly, this is gonna be the view you're gonna get when you all date us. Like, come on, like.
Wait, let me know.
ugly. Imagine JoJo.
I am literally JoJo. Look at this. Look at this.
Okay, guys, you're dating
Look at-
us. This is what you're gonna get.
Look at my Halloween costume.
This is what you're gonna get from me.
Ew, it looks like a damn rabbit. I hate rabbits.
Bend their necks. I mean, there's an extent.
It's a good way to just keep it still, you know?
The biggest straw. We love a big straw.
If it's just
It broke. Look, Lisa. I thank you guys for watching. I had a blast with my friends. Why does that look like a foot? Why does that look like a foot? Yeah, I had a fantastic time. If you guys enjoyed my videos, please leave a like. If you guys want to see more of my craziness, what I do, yes. You guys, if you guys want to, you guys can subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.